Hey coders, welcome back to First Sem Coder. Today we are diving into an amazing opportunity for all the BTech and MBA students out there. Yup, it is the Motorola internship and wait for it. The internship stipend goes up to raise 3 LPA. That is right, you can finally wave goodbye to those broke student memes. You know, the ones where you are surviving on instant noodles. Yeah, we have all been there. So finally, you can feel a bit more financially secure, like those people who know how to invest in stocks, except you will actually have to cash to do it, right? So let's get real for a second. Motorola, a global leader in telecommunications and consumer electronics, is offering this internship to college students. And this is not just about fetching coffee or doing busy work. You will get hands on experience working on real projects that can impact the future of communication technology. And since it is Motorola, as you can see, you know the experience will be top tier. And do not worry, this is not one of those internships where your only job is to fix the Wi-Fi. So Motorola has evolved beyond phones. Now they're working on everything from AI-powered security to mission-critical communication devices. So basically, if you get in, you're stepping into some next level tech work. This internship is the perfect opportunity to boost your skills and grow your network while working with one of the industry's big player. Now let's talk about what you will actually be doing in this internship. As a pre-sale intern, you are going to be a crucial part of the sales team. You will help the market research, preparing presentation and proposal, and keeping customer databases up to date. If you have got the Excel sheet magic or can make a PowerPoint that does not put people to sleep, you're already ahead of the game. Remember, this is the time to shine, no pressure, right? And if you have heard of Salesforce bonus points, but if not, no worries. You will learn all about it during the internship. It is basically like leveling up in a game, except instead of gaining XP, you are gaining corporate experience. Alright, let's talk about the juicy part, that is perks and salary. The stipend goes up to 3 LPA, that is serious cash for an internship. And let's be so real, you could use it. Imagine being able to treat yourself, maybe buy a couple of gadgets, or finally upgrade your Netflix subscription. And yes, we know a good chunk of that will go towards pizza, no judgment. And the internship is based on Gurgaon. But with everything going remote these days, there is a chance you might have some flexibility there. The location is great for building connections, and who knows, you might even be able to make this as a stepping stone for a full-time gig. Now the point is how to apply. Well, it is a super simple. The link in the description below. All you have to do is to fill out the details, upload your resume, and hit the apply button. But a word of advice is that polish up the resume first. Make sure it does not look like something you whipped up the last minute. And you can contact me as well for a resume. But on a serious note, getting into an internship with Motorola is not just about getting a paycheck. It is about building connections, learning from industry leaders, and working on projects that could actually shape the future of tech. Whether you are into the sales strategy, market research, or even just curious about how companies like Motorola operate, this is a chance you cannot pass up. Let's break down the qualification. You need to be a recent graduate or currently enrolled in a BTech or MBA program. You should have a strong interest in pre-sales. And trust me, that is a skill that is becoming more and more valuable in today's market. And if you have got great communication skills and know your way around Microsoft Office, then these are the golden things that you should have. Also remember, time is ticking. Do not wait till the last minute to apply, because opportunities like these tend to vanish quicker than your weekend after a tough coding session. So in a summary, if I can summarize all this sort of stuff, this is a golden opportunity for BTech and MBA students to get industry experience, make professional connections, and of course, earn some solid cash. Whether you are looking to specialize in pre-sales or just want to get a foot in the door at a global tech giants like Motorola, This internship is your chance. Do not let it slip by. And hey, if you end up getting the internship, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to celebrate with you and maybe even give a few more insider tips for surviving the corporate world. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your colleagues, with your friends, and maybe they can get an internship with this video. And if you found this helpful, if you are at the end of the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.